What if your employer gave you the key to a smarter financial future? Today, we're talking about Wealthsimple for Work and how it's changing the game for employee benefits. We all know the traditional workplace benefits, health insurance, maybe some vacation time. But what about something that really helps you build for your future? That's exactly what Wealthsimple for Work does. It's an employer-sponsored investment program that makes it incredibly easy for you to start saving and investing directly from your paycheck. Think of it like this: your employer sets up a plan, and you can choose to contribute a portion of your income. In some cases, your employer might even match your contributions, which is basically like getting free money for your retirement. Exploding head, the money is automatically deducted, so you don't even have to think about it. It's a seamless way to put your money to work, without the hassle. The platform is designed to be simple and intuitive. You don't need to be a finance expert to use it. You can choose from pre-built, low-cost portfolios that are professionally managed, or if you prefer to be hands-on, you can invest in stocks and ETFs with $0 commission. This means more of your money stays where it belongs, in your account, growing for you. And it's not just about retirement. Wealthsimple for Work offers a range of account types, including group RRSPs, TFSAs, and even non-registered accounts, giving you the flexibility to save for different goals. Plus, with features like fractional shares, you can invest in your favorite companies even if you don't have enough to buy a full share. It's all about making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or experience level. The power of this program lies in its automation and accessibility. By automating your savings, you're taking advantage of the magic of dollar cost averaging and compound returns. Over time, these small, consistent investments can grow into a substantial nest egg. It's about building a better financial future, one paycheck at a time. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial life, with the support of your employer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.